Hello everyone, I'm here with you with another topic today on Forex Technical Analysis tutorial series. So let's see what topic we have for today. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to recognize a trend. So let's see what it is. So there are four ways to recognize a price trend on a price chart in Forex trading. So number one, general direction movement. Number two, if it's going uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Number three, if it's going downward with lower high and lower lows. And then we also recognize the trend with the moving averages. So now let's see one by one. So general direction movement is very simple and easy. Which way the market is moving is upward or downward. So you can just quickly look at it and see which direction it is going. So now let's look at it. Number two, uptrend with higher high and higher lows. So continuation of an upward trend means that the price keeps moving upward while making high high and high low. So you can see in this price chart or price pattern that the price is moving upward. We call it an uptrend, and then it's making high high and high lows over here, over here, over here, and over here. So this is how we recognize them. So this is making all these peaks, and these are all these values. So when this pattern is found on the chart, we make it uptrend with high high and high lows. So how and when there is a start of an uptrend? So in a downward market, so that if the market is going downward, we will experience an uptrend when the market completes at least one cycle of high high and high lows. So it means that an uptrend has started. So now let's look at this demonstration. Okay, now look at this price. See, it's going from here, it's kind of a downward until this point. Okay, so we see it's a downward movement of the price chart, and then it moves up here from this point, and then it breaks this previous high, right? So it's written over here, it breaks this previous high, and then it makes the next high over here. Okay, so it makes the next high, and then it comes back again and makes the next high low, and then from there on it keeps on moving upward. So this is where, when in a downward market, the price reverses and makes one cycle of high high and high low, and then it keeps moving in an upward direction. So this is where we say that the uptrend has started from a downward market. Now when there's a time when we see that this is the end of an uptrend, the uptrend ends when the price stops making another high high, or it stops making another high low. So remember, this scenario we are talking about, we are in an upward market or an uptrend. So let's see. So here we are in an uptrend market where it's making high high and high lows over here, high high and high low over here, one cycle, and then it makes this high high, but then it makes this high high and this high low, but then it stops making another high high, which means that it fulfills our one condition, that it stops making another high high. Okay, now let's look at the high low. So again, the market is moving upward, making high high and high lows over here, one cycle, second cycle, third one it makes high high, but then it does not make another high low. Actually it dips downward and actually breaks the previous high low and makes the next high low. So it stops making another high low. So that's where we see these two conditions are fulfilled. So this means that this is the end of an uptrend. So this was an uptrend, now it will go into a downtrend. Okay, all right, so what is start of a downtrend? Number three, well, how we recognize it. And so we have to see it's an upward moving market. The downward trend starts when the price makes a complete cycle of low high and low low. Now let's take a look at it. So this was an upward market, it was making this high low and this high high, right? And it was basically an upward market. So what happens then, it dips down, and then it breaks this low, and then it makes this next a new low, right? And then it moves upward and makes a new low high, right? So this is where it completes one cycle of low high and low low. This is where we determine that the downtrend uh, downtrend has started, because it was an upward market and now it is going into a downtrend. Okay, all right. When we see there is a continuation of a downtrend, so continuation of a downtrend means that the price keeps moving toward downward while making low high and low low. So just like in this picture, it's pretty obvious it's making low high and low lows, and it keeps moving downward, which means it's kind of an ideal market situation where traders can come in and take a sales trade. So when we see there's end of a downtrend, so downtrend ends when the price stops making another low high or it stops making another low low. So let's see how it looks like on the picture. So this is a downward market. Okay, it's making one cycle of low high and low low, second cycle, and then third cycle, and then it stops making another low low like this one over here. Okay, and then let's look at the another scenario. So we have this one cycle, the other cycle, and then it stopped making another low high. Actually it goes beyond the previous low high. So this is where we see that's the end of a downtrend. Now from here it will go into an uptrend. Okay, number 4, how we recognize an uptrend with a moving average. So moving average is one of the ways where we actually confirm our trend in our basic technical analysis. So in an upward market, the moving averages are aligned below the price movement. So you can see over here, this is the price is going right. So it's basically above the all the moving averages. So we have 20 moving average shown in blue color, 50 in red, and green in 200 in green. So when these are aligned in this order and they are below the price, then it means that we can confirm a trend, right? Or we can recognize a trend. So from here on, like up this point, they are all aligned. So we can take a buy trade from here because all of our analysis is done, including the moving average alignment. And then how we recognize a trend with the in a downward market with the moving average. So in a downward market, the moving averages are aligned above the price movement. So this is the price and the moving averages are aligned above in the same order. First will be 20, second will be 50, and the third one will be 200 moving average. So when they are aligned in this way, so this is where we confirm the trend, and from here on we can take a sale trade. All right, that's about it. I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. For now, have a good day. Bye bye.